few geological events in recorded history that saw the destructive force as that of the Mount St. Helens eruption in 1980. It was the Earth's largest terrestrial landslide in historical times, a result of a restless volcano and its uniquely violent eruption. The most defining thing of this eruption was the total collapse of the northern slope, leading to an immense pyroclastic flow. However, something else came out of this collapse that was disastrous in its own right. When the side of the mountain fell, it plowed directly into Spirit Lake, which was a short distance from the base of the volcano. As the huge column of rock and dirt crashed into the lake, it produced a tsunami that measured 800, one of the most geologically active spots on planet Earth. Located on the border of 3 tectonic plates and situated within the infamous Ring of Fire, the country is home to a number of active volcanoes. Among them is Mount Unzen, an active volcanic group of several overlapping stratovolcanoes near the city of Shimabara, Nagasaki, on the island of Kyushu, which is Japan's southernmost main island. It has been active as of 1990, when it awoke after a couple of hundred years. Then, in 1991, an eruption caused a pyroclastic flow that killed 43 people. However, the fiery hard to imagine tsunamis that are as tall as some of the ones we've already mentioned. They're nearly as tall as football fields are long, if not even bigger. But that makes a person wonder, is it possible for a tsunami to reach into the thousands of feet? Exactly how much force would it take for something like this to happen? Few people believe that it is even possible. However, the largest tsunami ever recorded would definitely put that question to rest. It happened in 1958 at Lituya Bay, which is a quiet fjord in Alaska. On a calm and cool July night, a massive tremor struck the area and triggered around 30.6 million cubic meters of rock to fall 3,000 feet into the Gilbert Inlet, causing a torrent of displaced water to shoot skyward and form a monstrous wave. Now, when we say monstrous, we mean that the wave was 1,720 feet, or roughly 524 meters high. As it rushed through the fjord, it removed all of the trees and vegetation along the slopes. Millions of trees were uprooted and